the ground here in this neighborhood and in other neighborhoods like it, we aren't seeing it. They missed a huge opportunity to take a step back and to take a deep breath and to do something that was right.
Police made a lengthy post explaining their narrative of the incident, and the post ended this way. Our top priority is to keep our community safe. We are grateful for your engagement, and we look forward to continued conversation with you and other residents about how we serve our community. The police declined our request for an on-camera interview. They say they don't want to make this any more of a news story, but people involved are sharing their version of what happened. You'll hear from those involved, including the man who says he was the alleged victim of this so-called felonious assault in progress. All of that's coming up at 6 o'clock. We'll see you then. Back to you.
Leon Hendricks, thank you. One of the men being considered as the next chief of the Grand Rapids Police Department is dealing with his own use of force issues involving a young person.
And we want to see how he's handling it. 24-hour news 8 Smiley.